Now, how was this session, Prem?
Sir, amazing.
Okay, amazing. Okay, tell me three things that you learned from this session.
So, so the first thing that I like that the first phase that you mentioned on this
Mm-hmm.
that in today's world, SEO is the thing that we get. Sir, SEO is a very difficult thing, and ranking our website and getting traffic to our website at no cost is very difficult thing. Sir, 95% people use ads or any of the instant traffic to drive traffic to their website.
Mm-hmm.
But the first thing that I like is this, that we are getting 100%, that we learn that we get 100% free of cost traffic, targeted traffic to our website. And second thing, sir, I buy many courses of how to run Facebook ads and Google ads, but I never find these things that you tell me today.
Mm-hmm.
I run many Facebook ads, but the points that you highlighted today are not being highlighted or taught on uh, on that courses.
Mm-hmm.
And uh, the passive income thing that you tell about is new to me.
The passive income and the passive income strategy, the passive income strategy you explained uh, about is a is new, is something new and different
Yes, sir.
me that could help me in earning, help me get out of the struggle for earning consistent money, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Um, about peers. Okay, uh, cool. So thank you for giving me this feedback, Prem. I really appreciate that.
Yes, sir.